Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. Welcome to my video, and this video is about a marketer's dream. Anyone that's marketing online has to just check out Power Lead System. It is amazing what you can do with this very program toward promoting whatever you want to online. Inside you have unlimited capture pages that you can create for yourself. And it's already pre-built for you. You can copy them and revise them to what you want them to say. And this very system will promote itself. And if you don't have anything to market, you can promote or market the Power Lead System. This is a marketer's dream. You can go fishing, you can go shopping, you can go to work, and this system is still working for you. It has unlimited messages that will go out on your behalf. You can create them or use the pre-written messages that's already pre-written for your benefit of promoting your business opportunity or whatever you're promoting online. You can make subdomains. After you get your domain, you can create subdomain, unlimited subdomains, where you can, these are all of my subdomains, where you can promote whatever you want to. Let's go back over here and view all the domains that I've created. And it's just awesome, the things that you can do with this system. And you have the training to teach you how to create subdomains and how to copy templates to use and revise for yourself. You can even put your own video inside the capture pages. All you have to do when you join up is go over to the training area. And this training area will teach you everything that you need to know. First of all, let me show you a couple of capture pages that I built when I first got in, and some of my build just only on yesterday. This thing is so amazing. This is one subdomain that I created. I'm just using the system. I'm using the system, and some of these are old, and I haven't even checked on them in a while. But I have to go over here and delete some that I'm not using. This is the lead capture page that you will have when you first join. This is already built for you, and when a person put in their email address, they will start receiving messages on your behalf. The Power Lead System starts out at Lead Lightning. That's the beginning of the Power Lead System. And once you come in, you will get 2 links to represent the Power Lead System, and they show that this very capture page that you are seeing right here. And this would be yours. The Lead Lightning part, the beginning of the Power Lead System, is $7 one-time fee, and you get 2 links, one to promote Lead Lightning and the other one to promote Lead Lightning of whatever business that you may be in. This is another page that I created and put a video on the inside of it. That very video that's on the inside of this is my video that I created, just like I'm creating now. I love making these videos as well. And I put these tags at the bottom so people can click on them and learn more about what I do. Click here for the Power Lead system information, and when they click there, they would be taken to a page where they can put their email address in, and then they would start receiving messages from the system to promote the Power Lead system itself. And the Power Lead system is not just a marketing system, it is a business opportunity, whereas you will earn commissions every month as long as people stay in the as long as people keep using the Power Lead system. I just love all these pages are my pages. Here's another one to Lease Ad Space members that I created. I put this video inside of the capture page when I created it. And once they click continue, they will be taken to my capture page where they can put their email at. And these are leads, and long as I'm gathering leads, my list is being built, and they are receiving messages to promote my business opportunity. Okay, at the bottom of this video, you will see my link. Come on over and join up with me and start raking in, start bringing in an extra income from home each and every week or each and every month. You'll start making that desired income that you want to. It's not typical. You might not make what I'm making, but you might make more than what I'm making, only if you apply yourself. And we teach you where to get leads or how to generate traffic to your capture pages, and how that you can start building a list for yourself and start making that desired income from home. These are the two links that you have to promote referral link. A is to promote lead lightning by itself. Referral link B is to promote your primary business once you put the link here and update it. Anyway, click on the link below. We will talk to you soon. My name is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. Be blessed on today. Bye-bye.